In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your grille on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located on the front of the car. We're going to remove our grille. To do that, you're going to use a plastic trim tool and you're going to slide it in and push it out. And you're going to slide it in, push down, push it out. And you're going to go all the way down to the other end until the whole bottom of the grille is popped out. Once that's done, you're going to pick up on the grille and take it out of the little slide area where it locks in. We're going to remove this silver piece off and transfer it to the grille. So to do that, you're going to flip it over and you're going to look inside here. Along this edge, there's these little tabs. And you're going to use a flathead screwdriver. You're going to twist and pull on the silver piece and push it out. And you're going to unhook it from the plastic housing. And you're going to go along the edge and do that all the way around. So pull as you unhook the tabs. Almost there. There we go. All right, and then we're going to transfer this over. Now we're going to put our plastic piece on. It only fits one way. The little posts stick inside. Now we're going to put our metal emblem on. You're going to line it up and gently push in all the way around. And you're good to go. So you have two of these. Make sure you have the one that's slanted correctly in the same way that the grille is slanted. And then line up the hole. Get your screw in. And there you go. Do the same on the other side. Now that we have our ears on, we're going to install our grille. We're going to slide the tabs that are on the bumper through these slots. And they go all the way down on the bottom of the grille. So now we're going to put these in on both sides. And you're going to line up your tabs. You're going to reach down between the bumper and the grille. You're going to make sure those tabs are going through the slots. Once you get one started, the easier it gets. So I'm reaching down between the bumper and the condenser. And I'm just pushing the tabs through. Our bumper's a little beat up. We have it taped together. So yours should go much smoother. And you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.